Hey, my name's Brian Sappett, and I'm the founder and CEO of SensorTracks. SensorTracks is a manufacturing analytics application that can help manufacturers and OEMs use data to improve their processes. So today we're going to talk about how OEMs can benefit from using software like SensorTracks. Really, there's 5 reasons why they can do that, and today we'll cover them in an overview, and then we'll do 5 different videos diving into each one of the reasons later on. So number 1 is the ability to sell on real ROI, or return on investment, on your equipment versus your competitors. Imagine if you had accurate data on all the machines that you have in the field, and that you knew with that data that your machines were more reliable, faster, and held their tolerances better than your competitors. That'd be a very powerful advantage in the market. Number 2 is improved customer service. Most OEMs today have the ability to remotely log in and diagnose a problem after something's already happened on their equipment at a customer site. But what if you could be proactive? What if you could notice that one of your customers was having more downtime than normal, or seeing certain fault codes that you know represents an impending downtime event? You could call up that customer, talk to them about what's happening, and avoid that costly downtime for those customers. 3 is consumable sales. So if you sell equipment that uses tooling or other consumables that your customers buy from you, you can actually auto-replenish those tools based on their usage. You can also plan better because you know how to forecast those sales based on the regular usage of your customers. Number 4 is building better products, building better machines. So if you have good, accurate data on how your machines are being used, you can use that to be incorporated into your designs next time around. For example, maybe your machine includes a 12 horsepower motor, but 90% of your customers only use 2 horsepower. You don't really need to include that. Number 5 is that software like SensorTracks can be a differentiator in the market and a revenue driver. So we offer white label options so that you can use your branding, your colors, your company name to provide software to your clients. It's a differentiator that other manufacturers are not doing, and it allows you to help them improve efficiencies not only of your equipment, but of other equipment inside of the factory. So as I mentioned, there's going to be a series of 5 videos where we do a deep dive into these 5 areas of where SensorTracks can help OEMs. But in the meantime, head over to the website, www.sensor-tracks.com, and you can learn more.